All right, let's look at the homework 10.1, problem number 9, part C. All right, so we want to come up with the parametric equation for this circle, but in a particular manner. All right, so let's start with the regular one. So we think that the parametric equation x equals y equals, right? So center is a 0, 2. So we have a 0 and a 2. And plus, all right, let's see, r is going to be 3 because 9 is 3 squared. So it's going to be 3 cosine of t and 3 sine of t, right? We would think that this would work great. But what happens is if t starts from 0, then this is going to actually start from 3, 2, which is not exactly where we want to start here. We want to start at the 0, 5. So here, this is the picture. All right, so we have 0, 2 is the center. So here, 1, 2. Right, so that's the center there. Then we have radius is 3, so it's going to go down to here, and it's going to go from here. So it's going to be, so the circle we're looking at is going to look kind of like that. All right. Then if you use this equation, it's going to actually start from this point, right? Then t goes from 0 to pi, so it's going to actually go from here and all the way to here, right? So it does go halfway, but they're starting from the wrong location, right? So what we need to do is we're going to actually shift t by pi over 2. That way it's going to start from the right location, which is the location right here. This is 0, 5. All right, so we can easily do that. So what we need to do is we just need to do following adjustments. So we want t to start from pi over 2, so we just add the pi over 2 to it, and I guess we have to do the same thing, pi over 2. All right, that way it's going to actually start from this point and then go halfway to that point. All right, so let's type it in. All right, so we got the x equals 3 times cosine of t plus pi over 2, right? And then y is equal to, let's see, 2 plus, right, 3 sine of t plus pi over 2, right? I think that will do it. All right, so let's submit for testing. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.